Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install WhatsApp Messenger on your Windows laptop. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open a browser. I open my Chrome browser, and you should need to go on your search bar and type WhatsApp, then search it. Okay, now you can get a link at first www.whatsapp.com. It's official link, just open it. Okay, after open it you can get this option download. On the top you can see download option, just open it. Okay, now left side is phone and right side is Mac or Windows, so you just need to scroll down and you can get this download for Windows. And on the there you can see there is showing Windows 8 and higher 64-bit 32-bit, and that's for Windows 8. So you need to open this link, download for Windows, just click it. So there you can see it's downloading exe file. You just need to wait. So you need to wait for download. There you can see 38 seconds left. You just wait. So there you can see it's waiting. So you can subscribe my channel right now and like this video if this video help you. So there you can see it's complete almost, so you just need to wait. So guys, there you can see it's almost complete downloading. So now you need to go there, three dot icon, and then go to downloads, and there you can see the option exe file, show folder, click it, then double click over this. It's loading. There you can see it's installing maybe. So now you can see it's already installed in your laptop. There you can see this is WhatsApp, it's already installed on your laptop. So guys, in this way you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows laptop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this.